You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing word. If you want to learn, by the way, more vocabulary, clarify pronunciations in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from. British English pronunciation, cochlear. Cochlear, a twisted tube inside the inner ear. Cochlear. Now, in American English, similarly, cochlear. Cochlear. Now, if it's relating to the cochlear, it can be pronounced in the US as cochlear. Cochlear as well. The Americans say it that way too. But generally, cochlear or cochlear. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.